This indoor garden germination kit is designed with a water circulation system, increasing the oxygen in the water. Plants growing in the nutrient water faster than soil. You have total control over the weather all year round. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. High Performance Grow Lights. The 24-watt LED lights of the hydroponics growing system simulate the sunlight spectrum, promoting veggies photosynthesis in any weather. The indoor gardening with veggies can be placed in the kitchen, bedroom, or office. The indoor garden kit is an educational gift for children, helping them to observe the process of growth. Parents and grandparents will also love year-round fresh veggies. Number 2. 3 smart modes for different growth stages. Normal mode, 14 hours on and -10 hours off cycle, with red and blue and white LED lights, suitable for germination, bloom, viewing stage. Grow mode, 16 hours on and -8 hours off cycle, with red and white LED lights, for germination and viewing stage. Enjoy mode, 12 hours on and -12 hours off cycle, with 50% red and white LED lights, good for germination, bloom, viewing stage. Lights will be less noticeable in this mode. Number 3. 2 water pump circulation modes. In normal mode, the water pump works for 5 minutes and pauses for 30 minutes. Switch the water pump to sleep mode by long pressing the pump switch for 5 seconds. The water pump will turn off for 12 hours and will then return to the normal cycle. You can enjoy a deep sleep in the same room as your home garden. Number 4. Height Adjustable Garden Kit. The height of the lighting part of the hydroponics growing system can be adjusted for veggies at different growth stages, helping veggies absorb energy from LED lights and promoting growth. And you can simultaneously grow as many as 7 plants up to 13.4 inches with the 7 included pods. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.